Here we've got HTC Desire 19 Plus, and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select display and gestures, go to night mode right here, and if you would like to activate it right now, just click on turn on now, and as you can see, it's active, so you can personalize it by tapping on this scale. You can change the intensity, you can pick some cooler or warmer colors, and then you can turn it off the same way, smoothly by tapping. Then you can also schedule your night mode by tapping on schedule, and you can either pick from sunset to sunrise as this tab, or you can customize the time by tapping on turn on custom time and just pick the start time. It can be 11, and then the end time, it can be 7 AM next day. So from now on, your night mode will be automatically activated in those period of time. And then you can also have a quick access to night mode through the upper bar, smoothly slide it down and locate the icon of night mode. It's right here. Click on night light and now it's active. Then you can turn it off the same way smoothly by tapping on night light. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate and deactivate night mode in your Desire 19 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.